Delivering performance and value, Fiberglass and Smooth Star doors add great style to any home, proving you don't have to spend a fortune to get a beautiful, high-quality door. Discover versatile options for virtually any entrance, from the front entry to the back patio, in a wide array of looks to suit your style. Fiberglass delivers the look of wood with the low-maintenance benefits of fiberglass. For homes that boast rich wood tones, the Fiberglass Mahogany Collection is the perfect complement to extend that look to the outside of the home with the deep mahogany grain. For a timeless look, the door that started the fiberglass revolution, Fiberglass Oak, features the warm look and feel of natural oak. These doors can be stained or painted any color for a real wood look. Plus, the editors at Consumers Digest named Fiberglass a Best Buy winner as the least expensive fiberglass entry door that we found to include a wood grain finish, a lifetime warranty, and at least 20 styles. For a smooth, paintable surface, Smooth Star fiberglass doors offer a much more attractive and durable alternative to steel, with crisp, clean lines and a smooth surface that won't dent or rust. Both Fiberglass and Smooth Star doors feature high-definition embossments and are available in a wide range of styles with many glass options. From clear, energy-efficient low-E glass to privacy and texture designs and decorative looks, you're sure to find a style you'll love. Divided light options are also available to complement window grid patterns around the home. But there's more to Fiberglass and Smooth Star doors than just looks. Built to keep up with busy lifestyles and bring years of durability, these doors won't warp, rot, dent, or rust like steel, and require very little maintenance. They feature weather-resistant materials and are built with a heat and cold-resistant core, making them more energy efficient than wood doors. Fiberglass and Smooth Star door systems with genuine Therma-Tru parts are made to perform as good as they look with every component, from the glass to the hinges, engineered to work together. And they're backed by the industry's most comprehensive limited lifetime warranty, from the entry door brand building professionals choose most, Therma-Tru. Fiberglass and Smooth Star, versatile looks to fit any style with excellent performance and value. Build yours today.